What's up, YouTube? Coming at you from Baltimore, Maryland. It's our winter storm, 2010 blizzard. Almost 3 feet of snow as we speak. Still coming down pretty good. February 6, 2010. Let me know what you guys think. Check out your videos on the snow. Comment, rate, subscribe, add me. Mustang, it's all buried. That ain't going nowhere. It's probably our second biggest storm we had. The first biggest one this year, and then the one we had all week before Christmas last year. Take you out here on the road. Up here as you see, nothing's really going anywhere. The roads were covered today. We went out once. There's my dad. Alright. Well, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Stay safe. Let me know what you think.